In this video, I have a Xiaomi Smart Band 9 active, and let's unbox this device. So I started to open this sticker right here. We can release the box like that, and then we'll be able to find all of the accessories as well as the instructions and everything else. We can remove it, and then we're gonna check each one of them. Okay, I think that's everything. So we have a charging cable. There's our straps. And along with the straps, we have our watch already connected. So that is basically everything you get along with this device, and the next step I'll be showing you all of the functions. So stick around, I'll be back after a cut. Now let's check those functions that I've mentioned. So when we unlock our device, then we'll be able to see different app icons. And the first one is a workout. Then we have history, stats, heart rate, SpO2, which is the oxygen in blood. We also can measure sleep, our stress level, check the weather, see the calendar events, control multimedia from our smartphone device, and also control camera from the smartphone device as well. Set up the alarm clock, use the stopwatch, timer, find our smartphone device, and finally we can open the settings. And that is basically all of the functions with the apps on this smart band. Of course, you can also check the smartphone app, which is called Mi or My Fitness, and then you'll be able to customize things like a watch face or anything else. And that is basically everything.